Um, Good day everyone. This is Engineer Armando Omanito and our topic for today or the problem that we will solve today is about edge problem in algebra. So this is the problem. In an organization, there are CEs, EEs, and MEs. The sum of their ages is 2,160. The average age is 36. So the average age of all the students. The average age of CEs and EEs is 39. The average age of EEs and MEs is 32 and 8 over 11. The average age of the CEs and MEs is 36 and 2/3. If each CE had been 1 year older, each E is 6 years and each ME is 7 years older, their average age would have been greater by 5 years. Okay, so this is the question. The question is, find the number of CE in the group. So we have the choices A, 24, B, 7, C, 16, and D, 10. And then number 2, find the number of EE in the group. And then also we have the choices. And number 3, find the average age of CEs. So we have again the choices A 35, B 40, C 30, and D 45. So let's have the solution now. So let CE the average age of CE, and EE the average age of EE, ME the average age of ME, X as the number of CEs in the group, Y as the number of EEs in the group, and Z the number of MEs in the group. Okay. So we have here equation 1, CEX plus EEY plus MEZ is equal to 2,160. Because sabi nga, yung number ng CE, syempre, i-multiply mo siya sa average age ng CE, i-multiply mo sa number ng CE is the total age nung CE. And then sa EE naman, yung average age EE, i-multiply mo sa average age ng EE, yung average age ng EE multiply sa number ng EE is total age ng EE. And then, average age ng ME students, multiply mo sa number ng ME students is the total age ng ME students. So, sabi nga, the total age sa problem, sabi nga, the total age, the sum of their ages is 2,160. So, let's have that as equation 1. Okay, sa equation 2, sabing ganyan is the average age ng CEs and EEs is 39. So, syempre, yung total age ng CE plus total age ng EE, i-divide mo sa number ng CE at saka number ng EE is yun yung average age nila, 39. So, i-manipulate na lang natin yan. Magkakaroon tayo ng equation na CEX plus EEY is equal to 39X plus 39Y. And let's call that as equation 2. So, ganun din sa EE. So, pag binalikan nyo na yung problem, ganun din sa EE, ang average age nila is 32 and 8 over 11 or 32.72. So, manipulate natin uli yan. Ito ang gagawin natin, ito ang magiging equation 3 natin. 32.72y plus 32.72z is equal to EEY plus MEC is equal to 32.72y plus 32.72z is equation 3. So, ganun naman din sa CE at ME. So, i-manipulate uli natin yan. CEX plus MEC is equal to 36 ang average age nila is 36 and 2/3 or 36.666x plus 36.66z. So, that will be equation 4. And then, sa equation 5, so sabing ganyan, kung dadagdagan daw ng isang taon yung age ng CE at dadagdagan ng 6 years yung age ng EE at dadagdagan ng 7 years yung edad ng ME, ang magiging average age nila is greater by 5. So, ang average age nila is 36. Dagdagan natin ng 5 is equal to 41. So, yan bali yung 41, yun yung magiging bagong average nila. Multiply pa rin sa yung number ng students na hindi naman nagbago. So, yan yung equation, magiging equation 5 natin. Okay? Okay. So, wait. Okay. So, yan yung equation 5 natin. So, bali, parenthesis CE plus 1x plus parenthesis EE plus 6y plus parenthesis ME plus 7c is equal to 41 times 60. So, that is our equation 5. So, yung isa pang equation 6, sabing ganyan, yung sum ng ages nila, syempre, pag i-divide natin sa average age nila, makukuha natin yung total number ng student, which is 60. So, pag inad natin lahat ng student, x plus y plus c is equal to 60. That is our equation 6. So, i-simplify naman natin itong equation 5. So, from equation 5, i-expand lang natin yan. Magkakaroon tayo ng CEX plus x and so on, multiplied by 41 times 60 will now be equal to so, that is, i-simplify natin uli nga yung equation 5. This will become, so kasi nga yung CEX plus EEY plus MEC is equation 1, which is equal to 2,160. Kaya, itong value na to ay magiging 2,160 plus itong x plus 6y plus 7c is equal to 41 times 60, and that is equal to 2,460. So, i-transpose natin yon. The simple equation now will be x plus 6y plus 7c is equal to 300. So, let's call that equation 7. So, i-add natin yung equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. So, pag in-add natin yung equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4, ito yung magiging resulta. So, yung x, pag in-add natin lahat ng may x, ito lang dalawa, 39, plus 36.66x is equal to 75.66x. So, the same with y. Pag in-add natin yung meron lang y, ito bali ang sagot, 71.72y. Pag in-add naman natin lahat ng may z, ito lang bali yung merong c. So, ito naman yung sagot. Okay? So, yung equal sign naman sa kabila, i-add naman natin. So, yung CEX magiging dalawa, kaya to CEX. Yung EEY, dalawa din, kaya 2EEY. At yung MEC is 2 din, kaya doble din siya. So, pag in-add natin ito wala nang i-add dito, 75.66x and so on, is equal to, so i-factor out natin yung common factor na 2. And CEX plus EEY plus MEC is equal uli nga yan sa 2,160, galing sa equation 1 kanina. So, pag in-add natin yan, so 2,100, itong equation na to, 2 times 2,160 is equal to 4,320. So, ito yung equation 8 natin. Okay? So, let us use now yung equation 6, 7, and 8. So, kanina, sa equation 6, kung babalikan nyo itong video, x plus y plus c is equal to 60. Yan yung equation 6. And then, yung equation 7 is equal to x plus 6y plus 7c is equal to 300. And then, yung equation 8 naman, bali ito yon. So, 75.66x and so on is equal to 4,320. So, using your calculator now, use mode 5.2, wherein we have 3 equations and 3 unknowns. So, pag ginamit natin yan, makukuha natin yung value ng x, which is 16, value ng y, which is 24, and value ng z, which is 20. So, yung x is the number of CE. So, the number of CE students now is 16 and the number of EE students is 24. So, pati number ng ME rin, makukuha din natin. Pero, ang tanong lang kanina, ito yung tanong kanina. So, find the number of CE in the group. So, 16 yung CE and 24 yung EE. So, going back to the continuation of the problem, of the solution, so, yung mga values na nakuha natin, i-substitute natin sa equation 2, 3, and 4. So, once na sinubstitute natin, ito yung makukuha natin mga equation. 16CE plus 24EE is equal to 1,560. And then, 24EE plus 20ME is equal to, ito nga, 1,440. And then, 16CE plus 20ME is ito, equation 11. So, meron na tayong tatlo, gamitin na natin yung equation 9, 10, and 11. And then, gamitin din natin yung mode 5.2. So, equation 9, i-tabulate natin siya. We have ito yon. So, kunin natin yung coefficient. And then, yung C, yung dito sa C niya is 0, is equal to, bali, ito siya, 1,560, and so on. So, pag i-solve natin yan again, using mode 5.2 of our calculator, we will get the number of CE, which is 45, and then EE 35, and ME 30. So, yung tatlong question kanina, ang sagot natin bali ay number of CE students is 16, letter C, number of EE students is 24, which is letter A, and average age of CE is 45. Okay? So, that's all for today. So, I hope na kung naintindihan nyo yung solution, kahit na medyo mahaba kasi yung solution niya, pero nasolve natin ng tama. Okay? So, this is, again, Engineer Armando Omanito, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.